there. Oh my gosh, it's all loaded. I feel like I'm never gonna get this place clean enough to show, so we'll do a little mini tour as is. I finally have our place the way that I've always, you know, like, and of course we're moving. So we've got our little couch here that we've had since Jarrett and I first moved in together. Got this like so long ago as well, and kept it in my parents', you know, my room at my parents' house until I got my own place. So this thing has been with me for forever. And then I have my little office desk. And we've got, I'm so gonna miss this mantle. I love putting all of our pictures up here, and then those lights have been up there since Christmas. And I love our cute little shelf. Got our little marriage area. We got this one with the little one. And just some games. And oh my gosh, look at all the boxes we have so far. I think that's kind of like the layout of this. I have a whole separate beauty room in there, but that is just like, you guys have seen that obviously set up when it looked a lot nicer. Yeah, it's kind of like the layout of our place. Got my bed, this built-in, our dresser, TV, kind of like, that's just what it all looks like lived in. But yeah, just finally have it how I want it. And of course, we're moving now, so. Right. It's just where we are. So embarrassed at the state of our closet right now, but I'm officially gonna start packing all of our winter stuff. Look at all of baby boy's clothes that I've bought already. My mom got this little set for me. Got some burp cloths back there, but like this is all winter stuff, and I think I'm just gonna start packing everything, obviously, that I can't wear since it's summer now. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, that filled up a lot faster than I thought, and I didn't even pack that much stuff. I'm gonna have to use bigger boxes, I think, from now on. We got 3 boxes down. I just went ahead and hammered it all out. All the winter stuff, of mine at least, is packed. Today is June 14th. We got a lot more stuff. It's just like, it's just crazy. This pile just keeps getting bigger. Got the cats over here. What you doing, buddy? I was moving, and my husband noticed I've had this moving box since September of 2017. It's pretty crazy. Here I am. Oh, it's a little dirty, but that's okay. So, tomorrow we close. We're getting the keys tomorrow. And then everything is gonna be chaos from here on out. What you gotta say about that?
What?
How are you feeling?
Good.
Feeling good?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna miss this place for sure. A cute little bathroom. Yeah. You sleeping? What you doing, pretty lady? This is Luna. I never really show my cats too much, but what you doing, Mama? She's never been a mother. My husband's like, she's never been a mother. Why do you call her Mama? And I'm like, I don't know. It's just what happened. This is Arlo, the big 13-pounder. He's just a big cat. Huh, Arlo? What you doing? And then the littlest, Leo. Today's the day!
Big day.
Big day. We're gonna be homeowners. Are you excited? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready to be Poe?
Mm-hmm.
You ready for all that housework?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Got myself a little iced coffee blended right here. My husband's waiting for me, but we officially are homeowners. Everybody was just so nice. They even got us like a little baby gift basket. Just couldn't have asked for a better experience. And yeah, it's officially official. So let the moving begin. My youngest brother is coming over to help us. And yeah, I can't believe it. We're homeowners. Yay! Hello.
Hello.
Is this a fellow homeowner I see?
Is
this the owner of a home over here? Whoa. Like, how freaking cute. They got us a little gift basket and a little skyline thing. Oh my gosh, like in this onesie. How freaking cute is this? Oh my gosh. Moving crew number 1. Got 3 cars loaded up. 3 cars. Here we go. Here begins the first. Oh, yay! Home sweet home. For who knows how long. For a long time, hopefully. Yay! Nice. Empty house tour. Oh, she left that and she left the curtains. So we don't have to get curtains. Empty house tour. Oh, yeah, and she left her bench. Oh my gosh. Oh. Her grandson's little thing. Mm-hmm. And she left her coffee pot. All right, it's all empty. Yeah, garage door openers. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just, I don't know.
This thing's like 50 pounds.
It is time. Oh, there is?
We don't have a key.
Yeah, we don't have a key. Yeah. All right, last look of the bedroom. These little
stills.
Yeah, I will. The last. Oh, put that away. Oh. Morning, day 2, January. Oh my gosh, January. What am I even talking about? June 16th. Huh, Luna? Are you ready to move today? She looks just like Toothless. That was a hassle. I'm sorry, bud. Luna's in there. I'm sorry. I know. It's not happy in there. Oh, Luna's rolling away. Everybody's in. Arlo's being a crank. He's stressed out. Leo's eating, which is good. Huh, Luna? What you doing, Mama? You doing okay? You're okay. What'd you think? Got all their stuff. At least they all like their cat tree. They're all in their little spots. Yeah, you're all right, bud. They're all in here safe and sound. Arlo was a little scared, but at least everybody over could see the neighbor's garage. You doing okay? Oh, thanks, bud. Yeah. It's currently 1:23 a.m. Day 2 is now complete. I'll see you guys tomorrow, even though it's already tomorrow, for the big moving day.